Swerte kami na upgrade kami from Manila to Jeddah. 'Di ba? So, yan kami during the flight. And when we came to Jeddah, ito yung airport nila. So, lakad-lakad muna kami. Tapos may nakita kami sa airport nila, malaking pendulum. Nasa gitna, going to the lounge. So, naghanap muna kami ng airport lounge. Ang una naming nakita, yung Saudia Lounge. Pero, hindi pala pwede yung priority pass dyan. So, lumipat kami dito sa Welcome Lounge. Malaki siya. At saka, marami ding food choices. But at that time, busog na busog kami from the airplane. So, ang kinain lang namin yung mga bread, then coffee, milk, fruits. So, okay naman yung lounge nila dito. Maluwag. Pero, ang hindi ko lang nagustuhan yung wifi nila kasi hindi gumagana. So, hindi ako masyado nakapag-work with my laptop. And then, we have to go na naman. Pupunta naman kami from Jeddah going to Istanbul.